we have to be very cautious. Every penny which the government of India give, every penny which the state government give, there is also a rider, and that rider we have to see carefully, because just because we see there is a money, remember that time may come that we have to dilute our authority also.
The Department of Economics, Northeastern Hill University, NEHU, in collaboration with the Meghalaya Institute of Governance, Government of Meghalaya, organized a one-day state conference on the topic Strengthening the Finances and Financial Accountability of Autonomous District Councils in Meghalaya on the 29th of August 2022 at the State Convention Center, Shillong. This is a first of its kind initiative to bring together representatives of ADCs and the state government, along with resource persons, to deliberate on the challenges of local government financing. The objective of the conference is to orient the representatives of the three ADCs, state government officials, and representatives of local bodies of Meghalaya on measures undertaken by rural bodies in the country to strengthen their finances, as well as reforms in the accounting and auditing process. The conference was attended by Shri Lakshman Rimboy, Minister of District Council Affairs, as the chief guest, Shri Tito Starwell Khan, Chief Executive Member of the Khasils Autonomous District Council, as the guest of honor, Professor V. N. Alok of the Indian Institute of Public Administration, New Delhi, dignitaries and representatives. The financial health and challenges of the ADCs, as well as the measures required to improve the Council's financial transparency and accountability, will also be discussed. The expected outcome is to highlight and address issues and approaches to strengthen the financial position of ADCs and improve the accounting and auditing framework of the councils.
A new method of accounting have been brought into the system, which we need the accounting wing of different ADC needs to update themselves, need to upskill themselves, so that proper accounting is possible. So having said that, I have seen that in the last 5-6 years, all ADC, they try to improve their accounting system. They try to improve their maintenance of their own fund, and I hope in due course of time that this will be help in streamlining the running of the ADC itself. Having said that, one characteristic we have to remember that we, the tribal, are very bad accountant. We don't know how much is our income, and we don't know how much we spend. Many of us. That's why, to the best of my knowledge, the charter accountant of our tribal charter accountant is in units, not in tensions. So this shows that we need to learn more of accounting. We need to learn more. And moreover, because we have learned of the always grant without any accounting, and we learn we are live in this world where so many exemptions, but we forget that accounting is a must. Now with this new age, we cannot escape accounting, be in family or in governance. Yes, we are exempted from income tax, but we are not exempted from filing of return. And now, where PAN card, our own personal thing also, PAN card is linked everywhere, and Aadhaar is linking everywhere. All our financial transaction is being monitored by the government, by the RBI, or by any other agency. So, it is a time that we have to start how to keep maintain proper account and keep that in all our budget or expenditure. Government of India, every now and then come out with a policy, changing of financial rules. It is very important for each and every ADC to be very dynamic in accounting without missing the proper mechanism. Because, as I said, now it's the age of technology. We have to be very cautious. Every penny which the government of India give, every penny which the state government give, there is also a rider, and that rider we have to see carefully, because just because we see there is a money, remember that time may come that we have to dilute our authority also. So this is the time that I request each and every ADC to look carefully at the rural local bodies, how to integrate into the system where the district council have more say in running or streamline, so that this village or rural local bodies also will become vibrant, and ADC also will become vibrant. And if these two bodies become vibrant, automatically our state of Meghalaya will become vibrant. With these viewers, I wish that this seminar, this conference, which organized under in cooperation with the Economic Department of Nehu by MIG Government of Meghalaya, will benefit each one of the participants, moreover for interest of different discussions and the stakeholder. Thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you.